Good morning, friends. Today I am speaking about the topic instrumentation amplifiers. In instrumentation amplifiers, we are going to see the differential circuit with the help of op-amp. We can use this type of circuits in small bridge measurements, balanced microphone lines, communication equipments, and for high gain application. An instrumentation amplifier overcomes the problems like low source impedance, then unacceptable situation when a precision amplifier is needed. So this instrumentation amplifier overcomes this problem. Instrumentation amplifiers offer very high impedance, isolated inputs with high gain, and excellent common mode rejection ratio performance. Instrumentation amplifier is a form of soup up differential amplifier. Instrumentation amplifier can be fashioned for separate op-amps. They are available in single IC for highest performance. The common mode rejection ratio mismatch and removal of this problem of mismatched gains can be implemented by the usage of the following resistances, single resistors, which is the RI values for the op-amp, which is shown in the following figure. The values of RI is introduced between the third op-amp. Total instrumentation amplifier op-amps are 3 in numbers, with R1, R2, R3 the required resistors, and additional RI for improving the common mode rejection ratio. It can be further simplified with the following equations, where the Vout is calculated as feedback resistor upon Ri into Vb minus Va. So following these equations, we may improve the value of Vout with the usage of Rf and R1. Then following, we get Vx and Vy values. The output voltage Va must be equal to Vx plus the voltage drop. So we are calculating it as Va equal to Vx plus Vr1. Further, taking all the currents in the circuit, we can approximate it to 0, that is IR1 equal to IR2 plus current in the first op-amp. Then we get the resulting equation as VRI equal to R1 into IR2. Following these equations, we may derive an equation where we may prove that the same CMRR rejection is no longer available. These equations will show us that the first term of differential input voltage, the second term is the gain produced by the op-amp 3, and the third term is the gain produced by op-amp 1 and 2. That the system CMRR is no longer solely dependent on op-amp 3. A fair amount of CMR is produced by the first section. And because of these conditions, we may say that the CMR ratio is increased. Hence, we may describe the instrumentation amplifier.